Hey guys, welcome back to another Cube related video. I'm Johan, and today's video will be unboxing and taking a look at the Akko ASA Midnight Keycaps. Full disclosure, Akko did send this out for review along with their coiled cable, but this will not affect my opinions on the products. With that out of the way, let's look at the package itself. The box itself is quite big, showing the Midnight Colorway front and center, along with the Akko logo on the bottom. Once opening it, we are greeted with two more boxes still on the theme, with the Midnight Colorway. The small pink box houses the extra cyan accents you could use to change the look of the Midnight set entirely. We'll take a look at it in more detail later. Opening the cyan box reveals the clean plastic case for the rest of the kit. It's also magnetic, perfect for storing other unused keys. Opening the plastic case reveals the keycaps underneath. The first thing I notice is the sheer amount of keycaps included for the price. Obviously, this wouldn't all fit in one keyboard. It's more of an assurance that your set will fit in any keyboard. From what I can see, this keycap set can support the typical ANSI layout, 65, 75, Chang'an, HHKB, 1800 and more. The right side of the case shows the hot pink accents and novelties, as well as the included keycap wire puller, which you'll be needing to remove the keys from the case. The Akko ASA Midnight set is an in-stock keycap set made by Akko in their own ASA profile. ASA is basically just SA profile with sculpted keys and center-aligned legends, but with the height of OEM profile keycaps. Having tried OEM and SA, I like that it blended the two profiles nicely. The ASA profile really combined the advantages of the two, having a sculpted profile whilst retaining the comfort of typing. Plus, there's no interference. Here's the ASA profile compared to other sets I currently have. Again, Akko provided the best of both worlds with the materials used in these keycaps. It's PBT, which means it will shine less quickly than ABS. And it's double shot, which means the legends will not fade because it's a separate material. It's a far cry from Yongkyu sets I have since they're PBT but die sub only, and my Tai House sets, which are double shot but ABS. The keycaps are also thick and provide ample support on the modifiers. The legends are middle aligned, just like SA or MT3. It doesn't show any sign of imperfections, and the keys are aligned well. The colors are also vibrant, and they look or color match the same as the product photos show. The mods are symbols rather than letters, something I prefer compared to Akko's Cherry Profile set, which have text instead of symbols. Finally, the novelties are a good addition to the set. As I've said earlier, the set includes a lot of kitting options. Here are other accents available to customize the look of the keycaps entirely. You can change the theme to a hot pink, cyan color, or even stealthy and go all black. From the function row, navigation row, escape keys, and novelties, to the arrow keys, enter, and backspace, and lastly the spacebars. Speaking of the spacebar, all the 4 spacebars I have received have no warping at all, even the 7 new one. Having dealt with Cherry Profile as my main keycaps for doing scripts and day-to-day typing works, I might say I like ASA even more, and might use it daily from now on. The sculpted profile of ASA reminds me of MT3 or even typewriters for that matter. The keycap also produces a well-defined sound because it's thick and tall as well. For the in-stock price of $2699 in Shopee, you can't go wrong with this set. It's double shot, it's PBT, it doesn't interfere with north-facing switches, and more importantly, the amount of keys you'll get for the price guarantees that your keyboard will be supported, no matter what. All of this, packed in a good case, plus extra accent keys and novelties makes it a good deal for anyone looking for an SA set or SA-like set, but couldn't afford SA, or even those people who have been aching to get out of SA because of its tall profile. I could even say that this is more of a great value than Akko's Cherry Profile set. Simply put, Akko has nailed almost everything with this set, and I wish they would come up with more sets in the future. Well, that's all my thoughts on the Akko ASA Midnight Keycaps. Like and subscribe as I will be featuring this set and their cable in an upcoming mod video, so stay tuned. Until then, I'm John J. Villanueva and I'll see you on the next video.